With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So our question is, in the assertion, it is given that N2 is more stable than O2, and in the reason it has given that bond order of N2 is more than that of O2. First of all, in order to solve this question, we have to know what is octet rule. The octet rule indicates that the atoms are the most stable when their valence cell is having 8 electrons. Valence cells are those cells which is also called outermost cell of the atom in which the electron is residing, and thus octet rule is the most stable electronic configuration, and atoms try to seek in order to gain the stability. Hence we know that the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So as per the Aufbau rule, it will be 1s, 2s, 2p. And we know that the S subcell can contain maximum 2 electrons and P subcell can contain maximum 6 electrons. So we have to fill the electrons so that its sum is equal to 7. So it will be 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, where 2s and 2p are the valence cell, and here 2 plus 3, that is 5 electrons are valence electrons. Now if we try to make the Lewis-dot structure of the nitrogen, then we know that the nitrogen is having 5 electrons as its outermost cell, and outermost cell take part in bond formation. So here the 3 covalent bonds will be formed. In each case, 1 electron from each atom will get shared up and give the formation of single bond, and like this there will be 3 covalent bond, and from here we can say that here the nitrogen is having 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8 electron in its outermost shell, and in this nitrogen is also having 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8 electron in its outermost. Thus we can say that both the nitrogen is following the octet rule and have stabilized itself and give the formation of N2 molecule. So from here, first of all, we covalent bond formed, or you can say that number of electron pairs shared. In this case, we are having 1, 2, 3 bond order, because 3 pair of electrons are shared up, or 3 covalent bonds it's formed. Now if we take the example of oxygen, then we know that the electronic configuration of oxygen will be 1s, 2s, 2p. It will be 2, 2, 4, 4, 8. In this case we are having 6 electrons as a valence electron, because 2s and 2p are the valence cell. Now in this case we know that the oxygen is having 6 valence electrons, so it will be 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. And in this case also the oxygen atom is having 6 valence electron, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Now in order to gain stability or to complete its octet, the 1 electron from both the oxygen will get paired up, and it gives the formation of 2 covalent bonds, which would be considered as a bond order. So here the bond order as the number of covalent bonds shared is equal to 2. Now the alkyne, that is triple bond, is having the highest strength among the double and single bond. This is all about the strength. So from here we can say that the nitrogen, which is having 3 bond order, will be more stronger than the oxygen having 2 bond order. So from here if we check the assertion, that is N2 is more stable than O2. So this is true, because N2 is having 3 bond order, which is stronger than O2 having 2 bond order. And we know that the more will be the bond order, the more energy will be required to break it, that is, it is more stable. So here the assertion will be the right. From here we can eliminate the fourth option. Now if we check the reason that the bond order of N2 is more than that of oxygen, this is also correct, and this explains clearly about the assertion. So from here we can say that both reason and assertion are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, because the more will be the bond order, the more energy will be required to break it, that is, it is more stable. I hope you got my point. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.